Hello, welcome to my grocery haul for today. I went shopping online at Walmart. So I have ingredients to make for 9 different recipes. I'm either going to make it today or this week or next week. So stay tuned. I'm going to post these on my channel whenever I make them. So first we have, this is going to be for a Red Lobster chicken pot pie casserole. Now with these recipes, I only ordered the ingredients I needed. I do have things stocked up because I like to shop the sales and stock up on things when they're on sale. So I have plenty of hamburger. I had some frozen chicken. I had some spices and some sauces and cheeses in my fridge and my pantry already. So for this, I still needed some sweet peas, baby carrots, cream of chicken, some turkey gravy, and then of course the Red Lobster biscuit mix. Over here I'm going to be making a Chinese beef and broccoli casserole. So I got the broccoli florets, the frozen, can of sweet peas, a can of the sliced watered chestnuts, and then the chow mein noodles. So that'll be good. And then I have a chicken taco casserole, so green peppers, black beans, some Greek yogurt, frozen corn, some avocados. I have like taco seasoning spices like cumin and stuff, but I think I'm just going to take it easy, and it's already mixed with that taco seasoning, so that'll be easy. Some tortilla chips and some salsa. This is what we're going to have tonight for dinner. And then over here, I saw a recipe for the Super Mario movie mushroom pasta that he makes in the movie. So I thought that would be good to try. I have dry white cooking wine, a lemon, fresh parsley, sliced button mushrooms, and then some shallots. And then these tomatoes actually go with this chicken taco bake. And then for dessert, I'm going to be making like a cinnamon roll bake with this cake mix, and then frosting with the cream cheese. And then I'm going to be making my grandma's famous macaroni salad. So I needed some cube cheese. The only ingredient I needed, this is going to be a cheeseburger pasta bake. So I just needed cheddar cheese. I have all the other ingredients, but that will be good. It sounded good. And then I'm going to make some tasties. Someone wanted me to see it, how to make it on the stovetop. So I'm going to make some more tasties. I needed more hamburger buns. And then I'm also going to make some chicken pasta with this Parmesan garlic sauce. I really like this on my chicken in general, so I think that'll be good. But I'll post all the prices I spent. I think I got a pretty good deal. And then I'll be posting the recipes as well. So just stay tuned to my channel and make sure you subscribe. All right. Bye-bye.